This Oklahoma State trooper shows us just how dangerous law enforcement can be. This trooper with the OHP was involved in a major accident when a vehicle struck a car during a traffic stop near Interstate 40. Dashcam footage from the incident shows the trooper conducting a traffic stop when another vehicle comes from behind and smashes into the stationary car, throwing the officer onto the grassway on the side. Both vehicles were also heavily damaged. Fortunately, all 3 people in the accident, including Trooper Gregory, survived and are expected to be okay. They were all treated and released, said the Highway Department. It is not yet clear if the vehicle that crashed was overspeeding. Gregory said that he can't remember the incident. Watching the video, I don't even remember, says the trooper. Barrel rolling to my feet. I'm ready to come back, said Gregory, showing an injury on his arm. And just kind of work through it because I know it's going to take a little bit mentally to come back.